So let's real quickly talk about the latest and greatest of what's going on with Shiba Inu, what's happening right now, and where is it going to go from here. So real quick, video, entertainment purpose only, you know that. All right, so the overall market right here right now, guys, is at a 2.01 trillion, down 1.7%. Remember, you can't always just look at Shiba Inu. You've got to look at everything else kind of going on in the overall market. And in the last about 36 to 48 hours, we've had a ton of movement. We've had Bitcoin come up and almost touch 45,000. We've had Ethereum peak up over 3,000, which is where we want it to keep going north, obviously. Pulled back just a little bit. We've got a little bit of a pullback today, which is really kind of what I expected to see. You can't have massive run-ups for 36 to 48 hours and not have to have some type of a consolidation. Look at right here. See these sideways? See where my mouse is, where it's moving over here? See how we're starting this sideways consolidation. We had this massive spike up, right? And now we're sideways consolidating. This is perfectly normal, and this is a good thing because it builds support consensus for the kind of the next move up. Okay, so moving down to talk about Shiba Inu has done very similar. Look at the price action. The chart's a little bit more of a, instead of going straight up, more of a, kind of a going up a mountain, if you will, not instead of a cliff. That's a good analogy. There you go. The side of a cliff is kind of what Bitcoin think. Like this is like a cliff right here. See it? Oh, let me move that down. Cliff right there, cliff, if you will. You know what I'm saying. Sorry. I don't know why I'm saying cliff all the time. All right. Shiba Inu itself is doing something very similar. It's basically had a nice run in the last 36, 48 hours, coming back, doing some good stuff, hit this 2733 range, and right now trading between 2580 and that 2733, trading on the little bit on the lower end of that range, down 4.5%. Okay, so what I want to talk about is kind of what's coming from here, what's next. So remember, Shiba Inu being a top 14 crypto out of 17, almost 18,000 plus cryptos out there, it is going to move with the overall market conditions. Its market capitalization is too big to not be moved and swayed by what's going on in the overall market. At a $14 billion market cap, it is going to move with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So when Bitcoin and Ethereum are resting, if you will, right here where my mouse is, when Bitcoin and Ethereum are resting, Shiba Inu tends to be doing the exact same thing. Now, the overall market scenario that is playing out, I want to show you. We've got good news going on over on the stock side. You do care about this because we're basically the Federal Reserve is moving forward as Powell signals that in March there is going to be a Fed interest rate hike. Okay, we've been expecting this. This is coming. It's been well received by the overall market. This is a good thing. It does impact crypto because crypto is somewhat tied to the stock markets, etc. Now there has been a kind of what I'm calling a decoupling happening. Like yesterday, the Dow, the Nasdaq was horrible, down 400 or 500 points, and crypto had a fantastic day yesterday. So I think where crypto is at, it's gonna gradually turn back on and start to continue to move up, and Shiba Inu will do that along with it. Now on the crypto fear and greed, we've got a really good looking scenario here. We're in that really good sweet spot. Yesterday we were neutral. Today we're neutral. We've moved up 1 point on the fear and greed. Fear and greed index really does measure fear and greed sentiments and social behavior sentiments across a ton of different data points, and it does a really good job of kind of giving you a barometer of what retail investors, that's you and I, where our brains are at, where our minds are, where our hearts are, where our emotions are, that kind of thing. So this neutral level, I'm loving what I'm seeing. So in way of wrapping up, I like what I'm seeing so far, and I think Shiba Inu is kind of doing that really good, hold steady thing in line and in conjunction with the rest of the market. Okay, that's what I like. All right, so we're going to continue to kind of keep an eye on it for you, and yeah, I'm not expecting anything major to happen today. We'll just kind of it's going to roll with everything else. As always, I'll be here for you. Go make some money. I'll see you.